Makar Sankranti festival falls on the 14th of January. Kite flying is organized on Makar Sankranti. Kite flyers from all over the world participate in the festival. It is believed that a person dying on this day reaches the abode of light and eternal bliss. In Tamil Nadu, Makar Sankranti is celebrated as Pongal, a 3-day harvest festival.
ढील दे रे भैया ढील दे रे भैया उस पतंग को ढील दे जैसे ही मस्ती में आए अरे जैसे ही मस्ती में आए उस पतंग को खींच दे ढील दे रे भैया
The full moon day in February or March is celebrated as Holi, the festival of colors. Holi is a festival of fun and gaiety for people of all ages. Bonfires are lit and people smear colors on each other. Holi signifies the start of spring and the end of winter.
रंग बरसे अरे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे ओ रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग
Baisakhi is a major Sikh festival. It is a religious festival, harvest festival, and a New Year's Day all rolled into one. In April, this day marks the beginning of the Hindu Solar New Year. It was on this day that the last Guru Gobind Singh organized the Sikhs into Khalsa, or the Pure Ones. By doing so, he eliminated the differences of high and low and established that all human beings were equal. The birth of Lord Krishna, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, is celebrated on the 8th day of lunar fortnight in August or September. To worship infant Krishna, who was fond of milk and butter, women prepare variety of delicacies with milk products as offerings. Krishnashtami is celebrated over 2 days. The first day is Krishnashtami or Gokulashtami. The second day is called Kalashtami, or more popularly known as Janmashtami.
हर तरफ है ये शोर हर तरफ है ये शोर आया गोकुल का चोर आज हम लोग मस्ती करेगा कहीं मटकी दौड़े कहीं नैना जोड़े आज गड़बड़ घोटाला चलेगा
Ganesh Chaturthi marks the birth of Lord Ganesha and is celebrated in August or September. Ganesh is the elephant-headed son of goddess Parvati, consort of Lord Shiva. In Maharashtra, it is the most important festival and is celebrated for 10 days. In Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, statues of Ganesh made of unbaked clay are worshipped on this day in every house. A special sweet called modak is prepared on this occasion. To mark the end of festivities, the clay idols are immersed in water. Eid ul-Zuha is the festival that many Muslims celebrate with special prayers, greetings and gifts. It is also referred to as the festival of sacrifice. Eid ul-Zuha is called Bakri Eid in India due to the tradition of sacrificing a goat. Many Muslims wear new clothes and attend an open-air prayer meeting during Eid. Many Muslims feel that they have a duty to ensure that all Muslims can enjoy a meat-based meal during this holiday.
Mubarak Eid Mubarak, Mubarak Eid Mubarak, Mubarak Eid Mubarak, Mubarak Eid Mubarak.
Dasera also commemorates the victory of Lord Rama over Ravan of Lanka. The theme of the festival is the victory of good over evil. During the 9 days preceding Dasera, Ram Leela, an enactment of the life of Lord Ram, which is based on the epic story of Ramayana, is staged at various places in most of the cities, towns and villages in northern India. On the 10th day, larger-than-life effigies of Ravan, his son Meghnad and his brother Kumbhakaran are burned. These effigies are filled with fireworks. By burning these effigies, the people are asked to burn the evil within them and thus follow the path of virtue and goodness. Diwali, the festival of light, literally means an array of lamps. Diwali is the occasion of joy and jubilation for one and all in the entire Hindu world. All the illumination and fireworks, joy and festivity signifies the victory of divine forces over those of wickedness. Diwali is associated with the return of Sri Ram to Ayodhya after vanquishing the demon Ravan. It is said that Lakshmi, goddess of wealth, roams the earth on this day and enters the house that is pure, clean and brightly illuminated. It is also the beginning of the new financial year for business communities. Christmas is an annual festival commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ. Christmas celebrations are most noticeable in states where there are many Christians. Many Indians mark Christmas Day by attending special church services, spending time with family members, wearing new clothes, and eating a festive meal. Some families exchange gifts or give presents and sweets to children. Some also put up a nativity scene with clay figures or a Christmas tree. People from other religions in India also celebrate Christmas, which proves the unity in diversity of this incredible country.